Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share some new Aliexpress buys that I got in recently. But first up, I wanted to mention that if you haven't seen my story post or my community post, I had a tear in one of my nails. As you can see, it's very short. It was actually quite damaged, but it's healing and growing at the moment. So yeah, if you didn't see any of my extra posts, that is what happened. You can definitely read it back if you're interested. But here is a little overview of all of the Aliexpress goodies that I'm going to share with you today. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. And of course, become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. So I did not only get like nail supplies, I also got this really cool heart-shaped sunglasses. These are completely made out of some sort of acrylic. I really love them. I love just cute sunglasses like these, and these are fully red, and I actually really love how soft it feels to the eyes when wearing them. So yeah, they don't only look like super cute, they actually help with like headaches, for me personally at least. So yeah, also I won some Born Pretty store goodies actually from another nail YouTuber or Instagrammer. So these are some of those like chrome cushiony pens, and I also got a black and white gel polish. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do a video on those, but I just wanted to put it out there because it was lying on my desk and stuff. So next up, I also got some kind of like flaky holographic glitter goodness. I actually got this in a set of two, so I've got two different colors, and I think these were like 75 cents in euros as a pack, so I got both of them for that one settled price. Oh, by the way, I'm not quite sure if I can find all of the links where I got these, because these are like orders from way back in 2020, like October or something like that. So if you want to have any specific links, let me know in the comments down below. And I will try to see and look them up for you, because sometimes products get discontinued and the links simply don't work anymore. So that is also the reason why I don't just bluntly put them in the description box, because most of the times after a couple of weeks or months, the links don't work anymore and you're left like empty-handed, you know. So just let me know in the comments down below if you're seeing any items that you would like me to look the link up for you. Yeah, just let me know in the comments and I will try to reply to you. And also, if I can't find it anymore, I will let you know as well, because these are all like older orders and they've just sitting on my desk for a little while, and I was just waiting on getting a specific amount of orders in so I could actually do a decent video. So yeah, that's why. So just let me know in the comments down below if you want to know anything about these products or sellers or anything like that. Also, I've gotten a ton of questions whether or not buying from Aliexpress is actually safe. I've never had any issues with them. You can just contact sellers if you feel like you're waiting for like 3 months. They can extend the buyer protection and all that jazz. I've never had any issues with them. Also, if you don't receive your item, because sometimes things go wrong in the mail, you can just open a dispute and most likely you will get your money back. Well, yeah, that was just a little side note I wanted to put out there as well, because I'm already showing you my next little purchase. So I was really looking into getting some of those dried flowers that everyone is using with acrylics. I just want to see and look if I can actually use them with gel polish and regular nail polish as well, because I think they look really cute, especially for spring and summer. I think I can do some really cute designs with these. So I got these two boxes, the round one and this square one. I think these were like €1.70 or something like that each. So they aren't super expensive, but if you see like the amount you're getting, it's not really cheap either, especially for Aliexpress prices, if you know what I mean. I feel like if I would buy it here in like a nail art related web store or physical store here in the Netherlands, they will definitely be more expensive, but I don't feel like you're getting that much product or flowers, let's just put it at that. But of course these are all colored and dyed, so there will be some additional cost to add it to that, because these flowers don't all have these colors, if you know what I mean. So they are quite processed. Still, they are real dried flowers. They are just colored with some sort of dye. But I thought they looked really cute, and I can't wait to try them actually. Then I also got some backup nail wheels. I tend to use these a lot when doing bigger swatch videos, but lately I'm trying to do most of my swatches on just my thumbnail or all of my fingernails, because I really love using polishes and trying them out, and it gives a more realistic look on them anyway, just to apply them on my own nails. But yeah, it's always nice to have a backup like that. And next up, I'm already showing you a little like organizer container that I'm going to put on my work desk, because I have a lot of like nail files, dotting tools, brushes and so on that are just stacked in a little cabinet underneath my work desk, and this is just big enough to stack up most of my files and tools that I use on a weekly basis. So yeah, I got it for like €2.50 or something. It's quite sturdy, and I already had one of those, which is in the cabinet that is fully stacked with stuff at the moment. So yeah, I just wanted to add another one. Then here, this little packet, I just decided to keep it inside of the little Ziploc bag, but these are 100 pieces of like gold leaf or gold foil. I got this from Aliexpress as well. I'm not quite sure how much it was, but it was below €2, and I felt like it was a really like inexpensive kind of like gold leaf foil, which you usually get in pots like these. But I feel like the sheets actually work a lot better and you get a lot more bang for your buck. So yeah, the next pot that I got, or item I'd say, are little golden snowflakes. I ordered these back in October or even September, but they came in so late that I didn't have enough time to actually use them during my winter nail art week that I annually host in December. So yeah, stuff like that happens. Like, the mail has been really slow in 2020, as most of you might have known. I haven't posted a lot of Aliexpress hauls, which I actually pretty much love to do, because I simply didn't order that much. I didn't feel like I really needed new items. But yeah, next up I'm already showing you some AB crystals or pixie crystals that the husband actually got for me, because he kind of spilled some and it got everywhere, and most of my pixies were like gone with the wind and vacuumed up. So I got some new ones in different sizes. Then I also got some really cute nail art stickers. These are just regular stickers. You peel them off of the sheet, put them on your nail, apply a top coat, and you're good to go. But I think these strawberry and cherry ones are just really cute to use, especially for summertime that's coming up as well. I think it's really cute just to apply it on top of like a pink background color or a soft white or something like that. And then I also got some other water decals actually. These aren't stickers, so you have to cut these up and just put them in water to let them soak for a couple of seconds. And then you can put them on the nail. I have a ton of these, and this one is just so cute. These are all like silver and gold metallic kind of water decals. I actually don't have any of them. Most of them are just like black or colored, but nothing is really like metallic looking like these are, so that was pretty cool. I think that these were about €2, that pack of like 50 I think there are in total in here. And the sheet with the cute little like strawberry and cherry stickers was about 70 cents in euros as well. Oh, and I do remember where I got these. I got these from the Beauty Big Bang seller at Aliexpress, and I will get back to that seller at the end of the video, because I also got some really cool stamping plates as well. Next up, I also got some really big gems. There are actually 120 a bag, and I got 4 different ones. These are super beautiful opalescence kind of gems. I do think they have a pointy back, and they're actually in those silver kind of metal thingies, so you can pretty much just sew them on like garments or bags, accessories, stuff like that. I might actually just get them out of those metal backings and use them for nail art, because I just felt like these were so gorgeous, and I actually got them for like a pretty good price as well. They were like, I think €3 a bag. So that really wasn't bad for that amount of beautiful opalescence gems. So yeah, next up I have got some little like square pod thingies. How do you actually call these? Like organizer thingies with some gems. I actually got the 2 packs of bigger ones from a different seller than I got this one from, but these have those beautiful how do you say that, like rose gold kind of gems and oil slick looking ones as well, because I tend to go through those 2 the most. They had a ton of different ones you could choose from, and I think I paid like €2 for that first one. Then here are the 2 final ones that I got from a different seller. I think these were about €2 each as well. Of course per pack, I have to say. But these are square gems, and I had such a hard time actually finding square ones with a flat back. And I'm really happy that I got these, because these have a flat back and come in a lot of different cool colors as well. As you can see here, I actually wanted to show you them a little bit more up close to just give a look at how big they are, because I do have like not really super long nails at the moment, but medium length natural nails at the moment. Like, let's ignore the very short nail on my ring finger on the left. But yeah, you know that if you've been following me for a longer period of time, you know that I usually have quite long natural nails, so these will fit on a lot of different length of nails as well. Then I also got some other bigger ones. These are like elongated teardrops, I'd say, like the shape when it comes to that. I think these are really gorgeous as well. Of course, there aren't really many in this packet, so these are, if you compare like the amount of items that you get for the price, these are a little bit more expensive in my opinion, but they are quite big, and they have a flat back as well, which is pretty decent. The only thing is, the bigger the gem and the flatter the back, the harder it is to actually apply them on natural nails with just regular nail polishes, because of course natural nails have a curve, especially mine. I have quite a strong C curve, especially when my nails get quite long. So yeah, that is something you want to keep in mind as well when getting these. Don't get your hopes up, and it actually takes a little bit of time and just work to make them work and surround them with other gems and stuff, so they don't just simply pop off with the slightest touch. Then next up, I also got some really cool like neon bright like glitter, I'd say. So I've got some butterfly ones, I've got some I think it were like flowers and stuff, and some hearts as well. Oh, and a little like sachet or little pocket of red heart-shaped glitter was actually a gift that I got within this order, so I actually only ordered the 3 like kits or boxes with the bright colored ones. I really love the fact that these actually aren't super shiny but have more of like a satiny matte finish. I think that's pretty cool. Of course, if you're going to encapsulate them with like a top coat or an acrylic or a gel or something like that, they will become the finish that the product you're adding on top actually has. So yeah, here are the heart-shaped ones already. I really love the fact that these are quite thin as well, so they will be really easy to work with, and just to place them down and make sure they stay down on natural nails with a stronger C curve. Of course, I tend to work on my own natural nails all the time, so I also do know that there are a lot of you out there that actually don't like false nails or fake nails or acrylics and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to try these out and see how well they work on natural nails. Also maybe with some gel polishes, if you're up to that, let me know in the comment section down below. But I do think that the price of these were about like €2, maybe even less. They weren't super expensive or anything. So yeah, it was actually a pretty good deal. Then I also got a big kit, like to finish off this video, like the last items I'm going to share you right here. I actually a kit of stamping plates that I got from the Beauty Big Bang seller at Aliexpress. It was supposed to be a kit of like 18 or 20 plates, but there were 1 or 2 missing. So I have contacted the seller when I got it in, shared a picture of the plates that I got, and I was actually refunded for the amount of money that the plate was worth, or at least that the plate that was missing was worth. So yeah, that was actually also that I really wanted to put out in this video, because I've gotten so many questions on if it's safe to buy stuff from AliExpress, like money wise and theft wise and stuff like that. But as I mentioned, I've never had any issues, and I'm pretty much just happy with most of these sellers' work. Of course, I always do look at the percentage of positive feedback, as well as the amount of orders that the seller has actually had, the ratings and so on. I always look at the review section before I decide to buy anything, no matter what it is, even if it's like a little like nail polish rack or even just a simple bag of glitter. I always look at the review section, because customers tend to be really honest about their purchase. Because even though most of the items at AliExpress are really inexpensive, you don't want to like waste your money on something that you're never going to use. Maybe it will be really disappointing, so it's better to just to do like 2 minutes of research than not at all. But yeah, here I'm actually showing you all of the plates that I got, so it's kind of like a mixed like plate package, I'd say. So there are some festive ones, some Christmassy ones, some Halloween ones, there are some animal ones. I think they're really, really cute, and you guys know me, I love my Halloween plates and my Christmassy plates, so it's always nice to have some extra, some new ones for upcoming year, because if it was up to me, it would be Christmas and Halloween every single day. I really, really love it. It's just so festive, and you can do so many cool nail art designs as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the plates that I got. I didn't really have a ton of them so far. I have purchased another kit, like I think it was in my previous AliExpress haul. I will leave it at the end of this video if you're curious about that. But I haven't really tried many of Beauty Big Bang stamping plates, but I've heard enough of them and seen actually enough reviews about them that I know that they are pretty nice. They're quite relatable to Born Pretty store, and actually pretty close to MoYou London plates as well, or at least I've heard. I haven't tried those, so I don't know from a personal reference. But yeah, they look pretty cool, and of course these are quite festive-y, Halloweeny, Christmassy. I've got some floral ones as well, as you will see right here. I really love those because you can definitely use those all year round. Just switch up colors, maybe do some reverse stamping, which I still have to do, I know. After my lemon like Pantone color of the year nail art that I did on my right hand with gel polishes, I've done some reverse stamping, but after that I actually really wanted to do some more of that, but I simply didn't have enough time, so I haven't done that so far this year. I really want to get back into it because it's a lot of fun, and I want to have some more like practice time as well to actually get better in it, or at it, I have to say. But yeah, this was pretty much the entire new AliExpress haul video, I'd say. It's quite rambly. I haven't had a lot of sleep before, like the night before, and yeah, it's just, ugh. Like the older you get, the worse you're going to do on a lack of sleep, and that is exactly what's happening with me today. But yeah, sorry if it's a little bit rambly, but do let me know what you think about these items, and if you would like some links, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.